And so here's the image that I chose to show in greater detail, which is featured on the first page of my website. And my website is based off of crochet, mainly the basics of crochet. So here I found a really good image of showing that initial chain that you would do with the basic crocheting, using a hook, which can come in varying sizes. And then also here is the basic stitch of single crochet that's being done. And I really like this image because it is a really high resolution. As you can see, the fingerprint of the person crocheting and also the fibers coming off the yarn, which I thought was pretty cool. Also, it does help that there's a lot of white space around the initial image, so it does fit into that 200 by 200 requirement that we're using for the website. And yeah, it was a really good example that I found on Flickr, and then I used a basic editing for the photo on my computer. And that's it.